Does anyone else have a friend you only call by their nickname? Like, it almost feels wrong to even say their actual name. Cause I had a friend who everyone referred to as Beans, cause for some reason, that was all this man ate. That's not even an exaggeration either, because he would literally cook beans in the morning and bring them in a thermos, and that would be his lunch. Nothing else. Just Beans. So that's what we'd call him. But since we never used his real name, there was one day where he didn't come to school and I had a class with him. So when he didn't show up, the teacher, who knew I was friends with him, said, "You have any idea why Evan isn't here?" And I was like, "Who?" Then she goes, "Evan. You guys are always talking to each other." But for about 5 seconds, I had no idea who she was talking about. I didn't know an Evan until she pointed to where Beans usually sat. So then I was like, "Oh, you're talking about my boy Beans. His first name is Evan, huh?"